Hi everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody. Welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use bedspreads and blankets to accessorize your bed and still keep that cool setting. In my previous video, I toned down on my bed. I took the velvet comforter off, the throw and the duvet, and I just used sheets on my bed, and my husband really liked it. However, the only thing that he missed was extra covers. So I'm going to be adding a bedspread and a blanket, and it's going to be super cute. I can't wait to show you guys. If you're interested in seeing what I came up with, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the pillows that I have on the bed. Once I get all the pillows off the bed, then I'm going to go ahead and arrange my bedding the way that I want it. I'm going to add a bedspread first, and then I'm going to add a blanket. And once I get those items added to the bed, then I'm going to fold back the bedding to my liking, add my pillows, and then I'll just show you guys a couple of other ways that I can use the decor on the bed as well. I may throw in a throw just to see how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.